Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up shipping on Squarespace. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to squarespace.com and log in using your user credentials. After logging in, you will see the Squarespace dashboard. Navigate to your website and click on the settings icon at the bottom left of the screen and click on the selling option from these tools. When you click on selling, you will see these options at the right. Scroll down on this page and search for the option that says shipping. Click on set up shipping rates for your store and you'll be on this page. Now on this page, make sure you have added a shipping option. If you haven't, just click on add shipping option and you can choose whether this shipping option will be flat rate, weight based or carrier calculated. For example, I will choose carrier calculated. Now I will add the name of this shipping option so I will add the name of this shipping as carrier shipping. Now I will scroll down and here I will select the country UK. Now I will have to just add an address. Now I'll scroll down and in choose a carrier section, I will have to select a carrier. So you can choose any kind of carrier. I'm going to choose and go on with UPS. Now after selecting UPS standard, I will scroll down and in the select container options, you'll have to add a custom container. So shipping rates are estimated at checkout using the fewest number of containers possible for the order. You can add your own customer containers and use carrier containers if available. So click on add custom containers or you can choose to use your carrier containers. So these are predefined dimensions for your carrier's container. I have selected UPS. So these are UPS containers already available. I can use them for my packages. So I will choose to use a carrier container. You can also add your custom container by clicking on the plus icon, adding a container name and choosing the dimensions. I'm not going to do that. So I will scroll down here and I will navigate to add a markup section. Here I can add a markup to shipping rates estimated by the carrier. You can choose the percentage or the amount. I will enter 2%. Now I'll click on save option at the top right. Now as you can see, I have missing product dimensions or weight. So the shipping rates for your products will be calculated on the basis of the dimension and weight of your product. So make sure you have added the dimension and weight of your product by going to your product's inventory and adding dimensions. You can see I have the missing weight and dimension for all these products. So what I will do is just delete them. Now you can see I have successfully added this shipping option that says carrier shipping. Now I will scroll down at the bottom and navigate to setup fulfillment profiles page. I will click on setup fulfillment profiles and it will show up this page. Now you can choose to select a default profile or just click on add custom profile and you will get the fulfillment options that you would have created. So we just created carrier shipping option. I will choose that and you can add a name for this profile. I will name this profile carrier shipping again and click on save option at the top. Now you can see I have successfully added this option. Now click on done and you'll be navigated to your products page. If you're not there, just click on products at the left and click on the three-dot icon after your product that you want to set the shipping for. Then click on edit icon. Now scroll down on this page and navigate to fulfillment section. Now in the fulfillment section, you can click on default profile and choose the fulfillment option that we just created. So we previously created carrier shipping. So I'm going to choose that. Now you can see I have successfully added a shipping profile for this. Now this will allow the buyers to select how they would like to receive their product. For example, they can select local pickup or ground shipping. Now after selecting this, you'll have to just click on save. And we have successfully set up the shipping for our product. As you can see, this is our product and the fulfillment is carrier shipping that we just created. You can choose to set it to default and choose another one. So that is a simple way to set up shipping on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.